Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video will explain briefly, concisely, and clearly about the contents of the research journal, the impact of human resource management practices on organizational performance by Govand Anwar and Nawzad Abdullah, published in the International Journal of Engineering, Business, and Management in 2021. I get this research journal from the Scholar Google.com site. For the journal link, I will include it in the description box. This video was made to fulfill the midterm exam assessment for English 1. Now let's continue the explanation of the contents of this research journal. The first chapter is Background and Purpose. The study investigated the impact of various human resource management or HRM practices on the performance of government institutions in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. The authors highlight the critical importance of HRM in today's competitive global environment where organizations, including government entities, are striving to improve their performance in response to globalization, market competition, and rising expectations from investors and customers. This research aims to examine how specific HRM practice affect organizational performance. Building on this theoretical foundation, the authors developed 5 hypotheses. 1. Incentives. 2. Employee training. 3. Selective hiring. 4. Job security. And 5 is decentralization. The authors hypothesize that these HRM practices, if implemented effectively, will enhance organizational performance by improving employee motivation, skills, and overall engagement. The model visually outlines the hypothesis tested in the research, showing how 5 key HRM practices are expected to: incentives, employee training, selective hiring, job security, and decentralization. In essence, the figure serves as a roadmap for the research, guiding the analysis of whether and how each HRM practice influence the performance outcomes within government institutions. Chapter 2, Methodology. A quantitative research method was employed to collect and analyze data. The target population consisted of employees working in the Ministry of Municipalities and Water Resources in Kurdistan. A total of 240 respondents were surveyed using a structured questionnaire based on a Likert scale to measure perceptions of various HRM practices and their impact on performance. Chapter 3, Key Findings. The results of the study revealed several important findings regarding the impact of HRM practices on organizational performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the research demonstrated that while some HRM practices like incentives, training, and job security did not have the expected positive impact on organizational performance in the study, the decentralization emerged as a critical factor in improving performance. This study highlights the importance of aligning HRM practices with the specific needs and goals of the organization and suggests that further research is needed to understand the complex dynamics between HRM and performance in different organizational contexts. So that's the explanation about research journal, the impact of human research management practices on organizational performance by Govand Anwar and Nawzad Abdullah. Hopefully this video can be useful and increase the insight of the audience. I'm Maryela Mendila from Digital Office Administration Department of the State University of Jakarta. Finally, I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.